TikTok Ads Manager is the central hub for creating, launching, and optimizing ads on TikTok, targeting billions of users via video campaigns. Setup is free and takes 10 to 15 minutes. Requires a TikTok business account and business verification for full access. Steps: sign up. Visit ads.tiktok.com. Click Get Started. Log in with your TikTok account or create one via email or phone. Enter business info. Fill in country and region business name, phone, industry, for example, e-commerce, time zone, CET, and currency, EUR. Accept terms. Choose mode. Select custom mode for advanced targeting, control. Switch to simplified later. Continue. Verify business. Upload docs, like business license, tax ID, if prompted. Approval in 1 to 3 days. Add payment method. Go to billing, payment settings, link card or bank, no deposit needed. Install Pixel, optional. Assets, events, create Pixel, copy code, paste in Shopify or WordPress header for tracking. Launch. First campaign, campaigns, create, set objective, for example traffic. Define audience and budget, upload creative, launch.